Today's video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at PLU programming on the XEA203, 206, 506 and 20S registers. So the number of PLUs you can have on these machines will vary from one to another, but the way they work is the same. So if you're in the register mode and signed in, you can press 1 and then PLU sub button, and it will bring up an unprogrammed preset zero price PLU. So PLUs are a bit different to your department buttons. So you've probably already programmed your department buttons, which are general groupings of products, rather than preset products with preset prices. You can use them in that way, but you're not really supposed to. So the normal standard till operation would be departments, and then if you've got individual items, they would be PLUs because they can be specific product descriptions and specific product prices. One thing to be aware of is when you program up PLUs, you then have to assign them to one of your departments, and the departments are crucial because they control certain things in the report mode, but also crucially your tax settings. So if you've got multiple tax rates set up like I have, it's the department that controls the tax rate, so you've got to be careful about which departments that put your PLU in. So for example, I think on this machine I've got department 1 as 20% VAT and department 2 as 5%, so I'd have to make sure that when I set up any PLUs, that I put them in the correct department. One other thing to be aware of certainly on the 203 version of the machine, is that departments 1 to 10 are preset to VAT rate 1, departments 11 to 20 are preset to VAT rate 2, and department 21 is preset to be a minus. So you just want to make sure you've done your department programming correctly, and then you put your PLUs into your correct department. So on the 203 version, the UK version of the machine, as standard you've got 210 PLUs. You can upgrade this to 1200 PLUs, but ideally you do it at the start when you first start programming the machine, because the procedure to set up the extra PLUs wipes all the existing PLU data. But I've done a video showing you how to do that, and I'll put a link to it at the end of this one. So I'll just program a couple of PLUs just to show you how it works, and then how you might use them on your register. So as with all programming, you'll need the metal key marked MA, and you'll need to turn it round to the PGM position. And then for PLU programming, you simply type in the number, so the PLU number that you want to program. So to start with, I'm going to follow the example shown on page 21 of the manual. I'm going to program PLU 71. So you press 71 and then the PLU sub button. It'll then come up, it flashes up and confirms the number, and then it says press the 00 button, which confirms that you want to edit the PLU. And the first thing it's asking for is the description. So this is what's going to appear on screen, on your till receipts, and also on any sales reports you produce. So we're going to change PLU.0071 to melon as per the example in the Sharp manual. If you haven't got a copy of the manual, you can download it from the sharphelp.co.uk website. You've got a backspace button here, but that goes back, so I think you're better off. How'd you toggle forward? The space bar will get rid of any existing ones, so don't do what I just did, space bar forward and then delete the description before typing in yours, particularly if it's a short description. Okay, once you are happy with your description, you press the TMST to save, and that'll then move you on to the price. So PLUs would generally have a preset price. You don't have to, they can be open, and I'll program another one to show you how that would work. We'll preset our melon to be £1, TMST to save, department number, we're going to put ours in department 3, so you literally just type in 3, TMST, PLU type, there's two choices here. PLU means it's going to be preset, which is what I want my melon to be, so I just press TMST, and then I'll program another one immediately after it to work in a slightly different way. So PLU 72, so I go 00, and I'll just call this Sharp SHARP space, that's how you get rid of the you can just spacebar over the top of the existing description. TMST toggles you onto the price. This is not going to have a price. Department number, this one's going to go into department 1, so I'll just leave the 01 on the display. Department type, I'm going to change mine to be what's called a sub-department by pressing the 00 and then TMST. When you're done with your PLU programming, I'd always recommend doing 1 or 2 to start with before doing a load. But when you are done, you press TLNS, which saves the program. You get printout confirming what you've done. And you then turn the key round to the register position to test. So we're expecting PLU 71 to be melon with a preset price of £1. And then we've also got PLU 72, so 72 PLU. Because I've programmed it as a sub-department, I can now type in the variable price. And then to confirm the price and sell the item, you then press the PLU button and then subtotal and cash off in a normal fashion. Okay, I hope that video's been helpful. Got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XEA203 and other Sharp cash registers. You're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.